We fully support you.
Pat Cullen looked defiant and confident. But while there was a strong union presence outside the High Court, inside there was nobody to argue the nurses' case. The High Court ruled the planned 48-hour strike, which starts on Sunday evening, could not extend into next Tuesday because the RCN mandate will have expired. The judge, Mr. Justice Linden, said the union had shown a high degree of unreasonableness, that the outcome was inevitable, and instead of grasping the nettle and conceding, it had forced the case to court. The strike was called after nurses rejected the government's pay offer earlier this month.
This is the darkest day in this dispute so far. Any government that would drag their nursing staff through the courts, they've won their legal battle today, but what this has led to is they've lost nursing and they've lost the public.
The walkout will be the first to include emergency departments, cancer wards and intensive care staff, like Bert.
It has made me more determined. I think a government that rather goes to court for the nurses instead of sitting in a negotiation room called me out, and this is serious. This is just a group of people that doesn't know how to respectfully sit together and search for a solution.
But Bert and his colleagues could still have the government's offer imposed on them as other unions continue to ballot members ahead of talks next week. The government said it regretted taking this court action but felt it was necessary to protect patients. The NHS estimates nearly 500,000 appointments have been delayed over the past 5 months of industrial action by health workers.
Every day of strike has an impact on patients. It's outpatients appointments cancelled, tests cancelled, operations cancelled, and absolutely, we don't want to stop the right to strike, but it has to be done in a legal way.
The RCN says it will re-ballot members over future strike action. If further dates are announced, the union now knows to make sure they're not breaking the law. Ashish Joshi, Sky News, at London's High Court.